Everybody loves white shoes, but nobody likes what they look like when they get dirty. So start with the shoelaces. Your shoe is only as clean as your laces. Take hydrogen peroxide, add it in a bowl, and put those laces in there, and look at all the dirt that comes out. This is only after 20 minutes, but leave it in there for at least an hour, and you'll be amazed at how clean these things get. They'll look as good as new. Now, take some more hydrogen peroxide in another bowl, then add baking soda to it. This is very important. You can also add a little touch of Dawn dish soap in it for some extra strength. Then take a old toothbrush that nobody uses anymore or a regular brush and start applying the solution to the entire shoe. You want to make sure that this cleaning solution has time to loosen all this grime off the shoes. This is very important. Otherwise, you're going to do more scrubbing than you're supposed to. So make sure, again, to soak the entire shoe with this chemical. Then take a microfiber cloth, and you can see once you start scrubbing, there's a big difference right away. Now, like everything, it is not a miracle solution because you still need to do some scrubbing, but it does work. Look at the big difference. Again, not perfect, but if you compare this to what the shoe looked like at the beginning, definitely night and day. And especially the shoelaces. Look at that. Nice thing about this, you don't even have to do any scrubbing. You just put it in there and then let it soak. There's a little mark right there, but pretty good.